You do not need to provide HubSpot with context about your business every time you try to create content on HubSpot. There's a very easy way, which a lot of businesses, a lot of clients I work with rarely use, and which is very helpful. By virtue of which, once you give HubSpot all of the context, you do not need to provide it the same information again and again while when you create content. So I'll quickly show you how to do that in this video. All you need to do is go to settings. Over here, there's this option for AI, and then there's data source. So everything which you fill in under all of these categories is used by HubSpot while creating content whenever you need it. So the first one over here would be the company profile. Now I've tried doing this for my own business. So if you see, this is the name, this is the company, and this is the industry which I'm working in. This is the ideal customer profile, the ICP. So if I just click on it, what you will see is I've put in the name of this ICP, what are the job titles, the industry, the location, and all of that. The next over here would be products and services. What is my value proposition? What does my company solve? And these are two product services or offerings which I provide. Next one, the user profile is your own user profile. The next one here being buyer profile. So if I click on this one, this is my buyer profile. Your overwhelmed startup founder, what's his budget, the authority. So this is basically the band qualification of my buyer. And then there's the selling profile. So if I click over here, it allows me to name the profile, what is the description of the selling profile, and the tone. So once I do all of this, once I fill in all of this, I no longer need to provide context for while creating content on HubSpot again and again. So to quickly show you this, once you filled all of this and you go to Breeze Overview, and if you click on Open Breeze Assistant, and I ask it the following questions like, give me a short overview of the company for the website homepage. If you see, I did not have to give it any context regarding what HubSpot Simplified is or what it does. It simply took all of the context I've provided it in the data sources and it came up with this. The next question which I asked was overview highlighting our main products. So it gave me a brief about what are the various types of products or product offerings. And if I ask it who does HubSpot Simplified help, it properly gives me all of these client profiles of founders, businesses, migrating sales and marketing teams. So all of this was basically the data which I fed under the data sources. So because of this, if you see, all of my questions are just one or two liners without me giving it any context. It is automatically capturing all of that from the data which I already provide. So this is how you do it. It's very easy and it's like a one-time setup. And once it's done, you can use it to create content across any sections of HubSpot. So hope this helps. Thank you.